Ever changed your Chevy key fob battery only to find it doesn't work anymore? You're not alone. The main reasons are synchronization loss and corroded contacts. When the battery is removed, the fob can lose its sync with the car's immobilizer system, which is vital for security. Also, battery terminals can corrode, leading to poor electrical connections. These issues are common, especially in Chevy models from the 2010s to early 2020s. Don't worry, they're often fixable at home, saving you money on dealership service. Here's how to get your Chevy key fob working again. First, clean the battery contacts inside the fob with a soft cloth and isopropyl alcohol to remove any corrosion. Next, try resyncing the fob. Insert your key into the ignition, turn it to the on position without starting the engine. Then press the lock or unlock buttons on the fob, following the specific sequence in your car's manual. If this doesn't work, you might need a diagnostic tool for advanced programming, but for most cases, cleaning and resyncing will do the trick. Remember, this DIY fix has a high success rate, potentially saving you $50 to $150 compared to dealership costs.